Mama, 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 mama. Wherever you dey, mama, 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 make you pray for me, mama, 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 because we don't tire, mama, 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 we don't tire for this oppression, mama, 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 that's why we dey ask for solution, mama, 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 police dey kill us, oh, mama, 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 government dey burn us. So, mama, 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 mama. Now what thing we go do? Mama. Now we dey do. Mama. Cause if we not stand up, mama, nothing for tomorrow. Mama. What thing we go tell our pikin? Mama. Say we no fight, oh, mama, for our right. Mama, 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 mama. Mama, 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 wherever you dey, mama, 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 make you pray for me, because we don't.
Hello, fellow Sierranians. My good day once more. This time, my Peking Basharaka. Today, I want to tell Salem people say, democracy means now the government way run by the people and where they work for the people. Then, where it means the people then get the right for control the activities of the government and then get right for control all the activities of the government and through nowadays through the representative them when the parliamentarians where be say them parliamentarians them rights they don't squander, they don't hold that, they don't nyaka them, and they don't make them parliamentarians them no get voice again for talk. But I not blame the government, I blame the parliamentarian because I then see them say government they will go make, then they will talk again because of they don't give themselves to the government of the day. Where they say the people them put them for monitor the activities of the government of the day, for see say they serve as check and balance to the government of the day, make it not overpower itself or make it not think say in day above the law. But before they do that, they come, then give all responsibility to government. So they make government, they use them and make them like they want. So the people them voice, they don't be killed, they don't dead, they don't bury them. But today, I tell you about civic and democracy. Citizens can participate in their political process through and help shape political outcome through votes in the election, through where then can help shape the political outcome through where then the votes na election, whether then they strike and demonstrate, then go then can strike for say then you will say them view. They can strike if the government they do things will not go right, so that they can strike or demonstrate. Or they can write petition. Like government don't take the issue way not correct, they can petition. So they through the parliamentarians them or the SSF as citizens get right for making petition anything where government make way not correct. Or through representative. Then get right for put mouth on government business as citizen you right for CC all you put mouth on government business for CC how the country will run fine. So because of that, I want to tell citizens that you right for where you come out and demonstrate where things not go right. Now you right for make you able to say the government you put them on their toes. So today I get a lot of things I can't tell the people them. One of the things that I get for can't tell the people them why we for demonstrate, because someone will ask say why we for demonstrate. One of the reasons then because they forcefully elect the speaker of the house. We not to the people they choose. We not to like democratic principle them follow. So then they undemocratic, and this one not to the people them voice, not to what the people want happen. Forceful removal of MP from parliament. Then MPs them where then they can remove from parliament. It's unconstitutional, it's undemocratic because the same immune system, the same power where presidents get and them back we all get 5-year term of office, and the people them just scrutinize them before they put them there. So you not get no right for shakam, not to job again. You get right for shak minister or whatsoever become an appointment. But this is not appointment, this is by election, and the people them put them there always see them monitor una and then una do the right thing una for do for the people there. If una need to do and get right for make them talk on behalf of the people there. So now they right than they or they talk, and anything they talk or anything they say no get right, not get right for questioning because in get you mean as parliamentarians within a parliament where they cover and say they're not for arrest them or they're not for detain or for lock them. So we come back to the other side where they kill youth them at Tumbo. So we get right for demonstrate the youth them where them vote for them to the way them go promise them CLT. The people them come up for them survivor, government go kill them. Because of that, there is much reason for demonstrate. We talk about the Pademba Road massacre of youth. So the Pademba Road massacre where they kill a lot of youth them they and with no remorse or with no thing where go able show of regret, that is all reason for where people come out. And the killing of youth na McKinney, where people come out for the constitutional rights, their opinion for making glance and view them. For sister they able strike and demonstrate where granted by the constitution and hold them and kill them. Then Yamaska them, then Sisse, then kill them, and then blood be there all over the city of McKinney. Because of that, people get right for come out and demonstrate. And as Sierra we need for stand up for equal. Then we need for demonstrate. Possible ask back putting on the other reason. One, State House where we all get trust in for say that they represent we, where we all get trust in for saying that the right people they land. The State House made up of the three organs of government. We get the parliamentarians, we get the executive, we get the judiciary. All things they inside State House, and then say them people then they corrupt, which means the entire government system they're all corrupt. So why will you go put corrupt elements then for make them run or criminals then for run the country? So that means we need for come out and demonstrate, and the anti-corruption need for go and find out and see say they're able to take the case them serious, because now that will put parliamentarian and therefore as whistleblower. They are whistleblower if they say anything they go wrong for making them talk. So nobody not get right for squander the opinion, and then right to an opinion, to in view, to in thought, and in conscience. Anything na right, because now that's them put them for as whistleblower for this they able to serve as check and balance to the president. So we need for stand up for equal rights and justice for all Sierra Leoneans. We all, irrespective of which side you dey, we all forget equal rights, justice for we all. So we need for stand up for that day. So we need for stand up because of they remove Sierra Leoneans from job. Where government one of the mandate now for CCI will make job facility available for all Sierra Leoneans. But we see in this case they go pull Sierra Leoneans from job. So which means they're not able to protect them people in job, but then pull them there and then see they don't then violate the people then constitutional and democratic rights we then get for make them able to get job, and the liberty we then forget they don't pull out of them. We need for stand up. We need for stand up because of we need for stand up because the habitual harass and detention of the opposition. So and the old people they no more go lock them without no due cause. It's unconstitutional, it's undemocratic, and a violation of human rights for arrest person and go lock them without any good reason. Now a unconstitutional act, and because this is lawlessness to the highest degree for go old person go lock them without any due cause. So we need to stand up for that one. We need to stand up because of the tribalism don't take over the government system. So because of that, we need to stand up for change that system there, to make we able to see how we will able to reform this government system. Because irrespective of everything, every Sierra Leonean get right for make we able hold position in the country, irrespective of its type, color or religion. So because of that, we need to stand up. We need for stand up for a lot of reasons then, like we have all mentioned. So, and we need for stand up also. Now they say we ministers then what we put there, we governments, the entire state house, the one they wouldn't come on America then come. Now we then squander with money, then we take money, then they go with other man country, now then they go put out, they go make investment in other country then. And we need for stand up for say no to that. You know, go say the fight corruption, the thief, and go make investment in other man country, and go store in a bank account within a USA, this, that. And we need for stand up as we the grassroots them. Now we try them they kill and chew, but now we have diaspora and they misrule. We need for stand up. We need for stand up. We need for stand up for we picking them. We need for stand up for we parents them. We need for stand up for we country. The four corner of Sierra Leone need for stand up. East, west, south, north. Need for stand up for say we change the ideology, the mentality. We change the system. We need for stand up against habitual harass and detention. Habitual harass and detention, we need for stand up against that one. We need for stand up for transparency and accountability. The ministers, the government parastatals, they need for transparency and accountable to we. Now we put them there, and now we. How then we able to transparent and accountable? Not through the parliamentarians there. So we need for stand up for that one. If the parliamentarians don't compromise the integrity, we not compromise that. We need for stand up. We need for stand up for equal right and justice for all. We need for stand up for political right, irrespective of you, whose party you dey. You forget right to justice, political justice. So because of that, we need for stand up. We need for stand up for stop a group of destructive people who come together to undermine our country, peace and development. Because of that, we need for stand up. We need for stand up for liberate with people there from economic slavery. We need for stand up. We need for stand up civil society organization them, human rights organization them. We need for stand up for liberate the country. This now na picking Basharaka. Thanks.
Mama, 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 mama. Wherever you dey, mama, 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 make you pray for me, mama, 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 because we don't tire, mama, 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 we don't tire for this oppression, mama, 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 that's why we dey ask for solution, mama, 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 mama. Police they kill us, oh, mama, 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 government they burn us. So, mama, 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 mama. Now what thing we go do? Mama. Now we they do. Mama. Cause if we not stand up, mama, nothing for tomorrow. Mama. What thing we go tell our picking? Mama. Say we no fight, oh, mama, for our right. Mama, 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 mama. Stand up, mama, nothing for tomorrow. Mama. What thing we go tell our picking? Mama. Say we no fight, oh, for our right. Mama.